Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is going to be a great day. I can feel it. We got some sidewalks to cut out, dig outs to do. We won't get it to grade till maybe Monday, Tuesday. We got utilities coming up by then, so I don't know. Either way, we are going to head across the job site. We've got Frank and the backhoe over there. I'm going to load them out with the dirt I have to cut out for the sidewalks. And yeah, we're going to get started.
Let's not do it.
All right, so what we got going on here, everything you see in pink has to get cut down. Everything all the way over there, got to get our pipe out of the way. And we do our usual 5-foot cut, and then concrete guys come in and handle it after that. But it is what it is. They either changed it or we missed something, they missed something. Anyway, we're gonna get started on here. That's all gonna come down. Concrete guys try to do it with the skid steer, they couldn't do it. So we're gonna do it on a Saturday. Beautiful day. Got a t-shirt on, that's how you know it's gonna be a good day. So let's go. All gravel, you can have all that. Don't want to do that. That's been located over there for the landscapers. They'll come in and start their trenching, and that's what they got locates for, and we'll just go off of theirs. Yeah, he couldn't do this with a skid steer, no way. Silly goose. So when I talk about the gas line being shallow on this over here, I'll expose it a little bit. We got the sand to show it, or to cover it, but see, that's gonna be right there below the concrete. The form right there, that's not even gonna be 2 inches below the bottom of that concrete. That is shallow. It's the service line that goes to the house. I was scraping around and I found it, not with the bucket, but with my hand. So yeah, something you guys might want to watch out for. Alright, so got that all dug out. I took the picture of the gas line that was right there. Let the proper people know that how close it's going to be to the concrete. That could be a big deal. They might have to come lower that thing. Who knows? Or raise the driveway and the approach, and that's just one big deal. Got Frank scraping the streets. I made a mess, but went ahead and got all that done. And we're gonna go throw some gravel and some dig outs. All right, so we're on the next dig out. I dug those approaches out the other day. A little extra time, so I got all that done. I'm just gonna throw dirt out, or not dirt, gravel. Not even gonna get it to grade. Don't wanna work that long today. It's a Saturday. Frank's gonna get that one and he's on the skid steer. He's gonna switch from the sweeper attachment to the bucket. He's gonna go knock all those piles down over there. There's the backhoe. Maybe I can knock these down. No, I'll just use this. Start thinking all about everything else. But either way, yeah, let's start throwing some gravel.
For free.
Yeah, baby. All right, we got all our gravel thrown over there. It's not pretty, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go jump on the backhoe, get it spread out. The backhoe's more fun. Like I said, not to grade, but it's there, it's flat, it's spread out, a little low spot here and there, but you know what, that's what we're going to handle next week. They're not in a big rush to get this done. I just want to be ahead of the game, do my utilities and whatever else I need to do. We got Frank over here working on that other dig out, spreading all that stuff out. Like, he's probably making his prettier than mine. That's okay. Yeah, he's definitely making this prettier than mine. A little bit more to go. He'll be all right. Oh, all that's in the patio. We'll get that out later. That'll be fine. So this property line happens to be right in the center of this walkway. Right behind that tree is where that property pin is. I don't know how those homeowners are gonna like it, but they'll tell us to remove it or just live with it, I guess. The city was gonna take it over or something. Anyway, he's gonna get done with that. I'm gonna watch him get done with that, and we're gonna take off. I'm gonna go spend some time with my wonderful family. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, maybe share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment on what you like, what you don't like. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy doing it. With all that being said, we'll catch you guys on the next one.